Oh my days, guess who come back alive? It's me. All of my work is finished now, so I got time now. And guess what? I found out this piano's got some bonus features to it. So this is part 2 to the first video, because I found out something. So if you press this button here, bank, you can see we got so much more sounds to play with. And yeah, and I figured out how to connect this to the computer. So if you're having problems to connect the laptop to the piano, I'm going to show you how to do that. So yeah. So excuse the mess in the back, don't worry about that. So we're going to start off with the bright piano. So let's see how this sounds. So we'll compare that to the grand piano. I think the grand piano sounds better. Oh yeah, if you haven't seen part 1 to this video, watch that. I'm gonna put a little thing here. So if you haven't liked and subscribed already, please feel free to do that. So I'm gonna play electric piano part 1. Then if you click bank, part 2. Okay. So I'm gonna play a little rhythm with all of them. I'm gonna I'll add the specific buttons I'm pressing at the time. So yeah. Clarinet, no wait, clavinet, I don't know what that is. Okay. Choir, this sounds interesting. So yeah, what was I doing again? I forgot. Yeah, now we got warm pad. I don't know what that is. Jeez, that's not too bad. Now we have electronic bass. Let's see what happens to that. So you get the point? That reminds me of some like Lana Del Rey style music. I don't know if you heard that song. So now I'm going to show you how to connect this to the laptop. See over there. Like and subscribe. So you should have this. This goes into the piano, this side, and then this goes into the computer. So let's see. So if you see this little section, you can see the white one. That's where we'll go in. So yeah, plug that in, and then you should see we have Garageband open. Turn the keys on, and then yeah. So to start off on Garageband, you'd have to open a new file. To be honest, I don't even have to use this. So to start off, you have to open up on Garageband empty project. So yeah, now that I've got this empty project, what's this? Do you want to use? So you'll click yes. So then yep, MDI. I don't know what that said. So yeah. So then now that's it. Boom. Problem solved. So you'd have to pick what type of piano sound you want. So let's just go for this one. And let's see if this works. So yeah, so I'm going to click record. So now that it's recording. Oh, geez. So do you see that? So I'm going to do that again. Yeah, and play something proper now. Like and subscribe, yeah? Oh, so whoever can guess that song in the comments gets £10 million. So yeah, look. So to get rid of that annoying click this button. And it's gone. But yeah, so that's how you connect the piano to the laptop. So make sure you like and subscribe. Leave it in the comments what piano you're using, or if you got any problems or questions maybe. So yeah, thanks for watching, mate.